So as I said before, I'm, by the way, a very big fan of Bitcoin. But what's really different on the third generation blockchains is that we have these different governance models. So on the blockchain, there exists different governance, different ways of representing democracy, different ways of voting, different ways of, expressing equality and stuff like that. And I think those three things, with the power of metadata underlying all of that, opens up a complete new ecosystem for applications and use cases which can live on a blockchain, which you will not understand if you learn blockchain from new on and today, and you look at Bitcoin, because then you will be so fixated into one asset class, or just one asset, not even an asset class, one type of governance, right? And then you're kind of, what can I do with that, right? So it really is a treasure chest who's opening up. And what was so magical in the last 12 months is that more and more large enterprises, more and more innovators and trailblazers, and more nation states are waking up and saying, you know what, this public permissionless blockchains, who has a different security architecture than what we see in the internet today, that's actually a place where we can see value in the future. Therefore, they come to Cardano, and they come to some of the other blockchains, and they're starting working with us now on putting really, critical enterprise architecture, but also, scaling businesses and putting that on a blockchain.
Yeah, that's super interesting. So thinking a little bit about the types of tokens for people to understand there as well, you're speaking about like governance tokens.